Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna look into how the automation on WhatsApp groups. So if you want to automate or send messages to a WhatsApp group, so this tutorial is about this kind of automation. Previously, we have done a sneak peek on this automation in our YouTube channel. A lot of people requested have a tutorial on it and how to do this. So based on the your request, we are prepared this tutorial. There's a disclaimer alert. So basically, first thing you need to aware of it. This is not an official API from WhatsApp or Meta. We are not gonna use any of the WhatsApp cloud or WhatsApp channel. So for this, we are gonna use a platform called Wapi, which is not an official API from WhatsApp. This is an third-party API. This is meant for developers to build applications like this and automate messages. So we are gonna use an API called Wapi. So first thing first, you need to make sure that you're not gonna use this for violating the meta policies or anything, like so send bulk notification like that. If you are doing something, you will be responsible for it, and we are not responsible for any kind of actions that you're gonna use with this API. So that is why I said this is a third party API with that which we gonna show you an automation which you could do, which is not violating any meta directly, any policies or anything. So if you are using this effectively, if you are building any automation like that, it shouldn't be a problem. By the way, Meta will be launching an official group APIs, which is on their roadmap, but which we don't know when exactly it will be available for us to for us developers. So once it is available, we will have it as an official integration in our platform. At the moment, this is a third-party API which we are going to show you. So that's it. So let's get started. So first you need to get an account, create an account in our platform. You need to have a workspace, everything set it up. Then you need to create an account on Wapi, this platform. So here you can get started for free. There is a free plan available, developer plan available. You can create your account for free. So while creating, probably you need to create a channel. By adding a channel means you need to connect. At the moment, I'm on the free trial. I can't add, so you don't need to pay for it. You have the free trial option. So basically, for connecting a number, what you have to do is you just need to connect your WhatsApp, your personal WhatsApp number or business number to it. You don't need to. We are not going to use any APIs or cloud API or the Meta BSP solution so provider. We're just gonna straight away connect your WhatsApp app or the business app directly here. Once it's connected, let's open it. You can see the chat and all, like everything will be here. So this will be the in the free plan, this will be the limitations. You can only have 1k requests per month, and these are the limitations. If you are upgrading, everything will be unlimited, or you can make as much as API calls you want. Everything will be unlimited. So it also comes with a lot of APIs. So what all here you can find all the APIs that you need to make your own automations or anything. Also here you will find your token, so just copy this token. We need this token. So this is pretty much everything that you need. Then in this video we're gonna use OpenAI assistant to automate messages. So in this tutorial we're gonna look into automate messages that comes to your WhatsApp group, and it can be automated by a OpenAI assistant, and it will keep respond or keep reply to your messages. So this is what we are gonna build today. So we are made this tutorial simple and easier for you. So we have the template created. Yeah, as you can see, we have made a template for you, so you can simply install. So at the moment this template is like cost you $10. You can buy, we have the payment link below this video description. You can find the link. Just it only costs $10. Once you buy, it will be redirected to this tutorial template link. From here you can click on install template. So let me set up a workspace so that I can show you how it can be done. Let me open the workspace that we built. Okay, one second. This is the workspace. We're gonna install it. So first of all, just create if you don't have a so in this template to install, you only need an Omni-Channel. You don't need to connect a WhatsApp number or anything. So set up a Omni-Channel first. So let me call it WhatsApp group automation. So currently I don't have any bots here, so I'm gonna click on new and select blank, create bot, open flow. So this much is done. Like your bot is set it up. We have the builder open. Now you can straight away install the template. So click on install template. Before that, we need to switch the workspace here. So let's go to this WhatsApp automation workspace. So yeah, now we are on the WhatsApp group automation. This is the workspace. We are gonna install it. So now let's click on the install template button. Click on next, WhatsApp group bot. So now here couple of things you need to fill it up. So here you need to provide your own API here, so that you can find it here. From here you can copy and paste it here. Oh, before that, since we are using OpenAI assistant to automate your messages comes to your WhatsApp group, we have created an OpenAI assistant. So for in this video you need an OpenAI assistant, so let me show you that part also. Let's do one thing. Let's duplicate this tab. Go to integrations, go to OpenAI. You need to provide your API key here. I just provided my API key here. Once you provide your API key, this section will be available for you: files, vector store, and assistants. So from here you can create your assistant. So I'm gonna build a new assistant here for this project. So you can select what model, which model that you want. Like let's go with the latest model, which is GPT-4o, and give a name. So let's create a name. So I have given a name here, and description you can leave. Instruction also you can leave it here if you want. Anyway, inside the template we are giving an option for you to insert the instruction, so you can leave it empty here. And vector store. So at the moment I don't have any files that I want to attach. So if you have any files, you can upload here. So let me show you that also in your case. So basically, if you have any information related to your business, you can upload as a PDF file or whatever. I mean, at the moment through our platform, you can only upload the PDF files or doc files. You can insert the file here. Once you insert the file, then your file will be displayed here. It will be processed. Then go to vector store. You can click on, for example, click on this pencil icon here, and you can give a name here. So after giving the name, click on update. So here you can see your this vector store name will be displayed here. Inside this, you can upload files with related to your business or related to your the AI. Here you will building the knowledge base. Here you can add the files that you need the AI to pull information from. So add the file, click on it. It will be displayed here, the files which you are already uploaded. So for now, I'm gonna select these pricing plans. For example, if somebody asks about our pricing plan, the AI can respond using this information provided here. Let's click on create and close this. So here you can see, let's refresh this. Here you can see one file attached here in the vector store. So let's go back to assistant. This is our AI. Let's select the vector store from here so that it will be attached to the AI now. So now you will get an assistant ID also. Let's copy this also. This also we needed. So as you can see here, you need to provide your assistant ID, and here is the instruction that you need to provide. So basically I do have some instruction already here, sample data, which I'm gonna use it exactly as it is. If you want, you can update your own instruction, how the AI should respond or how the behavior of the AI should be, that according to your preference you can update it here. So now let me copy this value here and let me paste it here. So now we have the API for the WAP and OpenAI assistant also given here. Now click on the install now button. So now it is done. It will redirect back to the builder now. So here you can see a folder has been created. So this is our main folder. So basically the main flow, do one thing, click on the edit flow and use the go to block and select this option. So whenever this flow or some triggers, it will automatically go to the WhatsApp automation flow which we created. Let's open it up and let me explain how this entire thing works. At the moment this automation will not work or it will not trigger. We have to do a minor change, which is you need to click on the tools. We need to set up a webhook first. So you can find inbound webhook, click on it. You can find this option, new inbound webhook. So just give any name. So let's go with WhatsApp group API. Let's click save. So now click on this button, active, then copy this link and click on edit flow. So this is how it will look like. So let me explain what this is. So this is called inbound webhook. So basically you will have a webhook address here which you can paste into your WAP account which you have. So go to the settings bar, you will find an option. Let me replace this. Let me paste this value here. So now what happens is whenever somebody messages to this number or you receive any message to this number, this webhook will be triggering. So it will send information from this API. Whenever any message comes to your WhatsApp number, this will be triggered and that information will be sent back to our dashboard. So let's save this. Now we have saved this. Let's head back to our flow. Now we can test out if this is working or not, if the integration is successful or not. Let's do a testing. Let's click on listen to the payload. So I just opened the WhatsApp. So at the moment I have the community, our WhatsApp group I have opened here. So I'm gonna message in the community itself, in the group. So basically let's see if that comes here. Let's click on done. You can see so basically how this works is the number which we connected now is a part of the group and it's an admin in the group. So basically when you send a message, so this webhook will be triggered. So we are getting a response back. That means the integration was successful. So here you can see the message I sent was hi, this is my number and my name also is displayed. So now we need to configure this webhook. So let's do one thing, click on this. You can find the chat ID here. Just copy the entire thing and paste it in the email field. Since we don't have any phone number or WhatsApp channel, we are not using a WhatsApp channel, so we don't have a phone number. We don't need to use phone number or any of other option. You can use the email channel. So basically this value will be here and it will create an user in the builder and the automation will run through that. So for that, after that we need to do one more thing. Here you can see this option from me. Just open this and we have an variable already existing here. because part of the template this variable will be already existing. You can click on this admin message and click on add. This is an important step because even if you are messaging from your number, if any message comes, also this API will be triggered, and you don't want the AI to respond to your own messages. So you want to prevent that. So make sure this is mapped into a variable. Now next thing is just map the entire JSON. We have another variable here. Just click on add. You only have to do this much because rest everything is already mapped in our flows, so it will automatically keep running, so unless you are not making any changes. So now one more thing, we need to trigger a specific flow. So let's choose this flow, WhatsApp group optimization. Whenever this webhook is triggered, this flow will be by default it will be triggered. Now let's do a live test. Now let's get back here and let's type the hi message again. Let's see if this triggers or not. Now you can see it's working, it's typing. So hello there, how can I assist you? So now the integration is working. You can also check the logs. So here you can see the whenever somebody is messaging in the group, you will get the webhook is getting triggered. Okay, let's do one more testing. So in the AI assistant, we uploaded the pricing plan also. So let's ask what is your pricing plan? So like that. Just for testing purpose, we can ask that question because this is the information that we directly uploaded in the vector store to the AI assistant. So let's ask that. So let's wait because just now the API has been triggered. Just give a couple of seconds. So here you can see it's typing. That means there is some kind of response we are getting from the AI. So as you can see, this is the information that we provided in the document file, the file we uploaded. So that exact information, it got fetched from the backend, and we are providing here. So we can ask one more question. Let's ask, I need to get in touch with the support. Let's see how does this works. You can see it's typing. That means some response is coming. So yeah, this is the instruction that we provided. So whenever somebody asks for technical support or support, provide the email. So the demo, this is how it works. So that configuration what we've done is working fine. As you can see, we're getting the results back. So one other thing you need to aware is this inbound webhook is there is a limit 500 requests only you can make in a day, 24 hours. If you want to increase the limit, you need to get in touch with our support, and it will be a paid add-on. We can increase the limit for you in our works because more than 500 requests is coming to your it will take a lot of resources from our end. So that's why we limited to 500. If you need more than that, you can reach out to our support. We will give you the rates for increasing the limit. I mean, like at the beginning when you're testing this, I don't think you need that much, but you can try test it out with the 500 requests. So another thing, whenever somebody messages, you can see a bot user has been created here like this. So this is running through the web channel. So that is why we mapped the chat ID. It looks like an email, but it's not an actual email. It's a web ID from WAPI. So that's what we are using. So you don't need to have a WhatsApp channel or anything. You can directly run this automation on a web channel. So that is an advantage you get. So in this tutorial, we only covered the AI automation on a group, WhatsApp group. Also, one thing I forgot to explain in this tutorial, as you can see, we are only this AI will only respond to a specific group. So if the group name is a specific group, then only this automation will trigger. Otherwise, it won't respond back. I forgot to explain this. So basically, when the webhook is triggered, we are triggering this flow. First thing first, we check if it is a message from the admin. If it is a message from admin, then we won't even respond. So I mean, if it's a message from somebody else in the group or somebody else messaged you, then only this automation will be triggered. Then first thing we are checking is what is a group name. We are getting the group name. So in this endpoint, we will check the group name. So here we already have the chat ID, everything. So let's do a testing. So from the live chat, if you go to from the live chat, if you click all, you can find the conversation. From here you can get the chat ID. So we're gonna paste this value here. And hit the test button. So here you can see the group here it's mentioned and group name. So by like here by default everything is already mapped, so we know which group it is the message is coming from. So that group name is already mapped here. It's already saved into a variable called group name. Then next thing we are checking is if the group name is the exact group name or not. Like if it is a matching group name, then only we trigger the AI automation, so that it's which give you more control where the AI should be responding or where it shouldn't be responding. So if somebody is directly messaging you, the bot will not respond to that person. If the user is messaging in a specific group that is mentioned here, only to that group only the AI will keep automating the response or reply. So that is what we've done here. So I forgot to explain the workflow so that you can check it out. And here you can see we have also added an option to check the impound webhook limit. We mentioned that we give you 500 by default 500 is the request limit, but the way if you want to test this limit, first you need to go here. First you need to copy this link, open this flow. Inside the external request you can paste the value and just simply click on the test button. So then click on the response code 200. You can find the rate limit remaining. So now 496 is remaining now. So that is how you can check the limit also, inbound webhook limit. Another thing, here is the AI reply. From here it's a function flow which runs in the backend. Sorry, it's a workflow. So it runs in the backend. So we already have configured everything, so you don't need to worry about it. So sometimes there is a possibility that OpenAI can fail, like the request can fail. So based on the traffic, so we have already set up a default reply also. Here I can see by default reply when you are installing the template, we are given this option also, so you can fill up the response. It will give a pre-generated default response to your user or the messages comes in the group. So that is something that what I've created here, or if you want to modify it, that also according to you can modify it. Another thing, if you want to make any changes to the instruction that you provided, you can find a field called bot field. In contents, go to bot field, open this. You will find all the variables that is used in this template. So if you want to change the default response, you can edit it here. If you want to change the OpenAI instruction that you are using, that also you can edit it here. So you can make updates here. So that's it. So with the use of this template, things will be much more easier, I feel. We believe that is why we created like this. If you have this template, you can make changes according to your need, and make updates on your own, and you can build other endpoints or something like that you want to cover. You can do it. That's it for the video. I hope you understood the video. If you need further development support or something, you can, if you are a developer, you can also cross check the endpoints from here. Also, if you are purchasing our template advantages, we have everything uh, coded, we have everything documented here. All the endpoints, which all endpoints we are using, everything is already mentioned here. It is much easier for you. That's it. Thank you.